Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a spooky house and some good camera movements. Well, if you want to scare your friends, then just come to this video. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to firstly build the house, the really spooky house, or then it's not going to work out. So I'm just going to start by deleting this light right here because we don't need it. Selecting this object and going S, Shift Z. So now we've got this like huge plane object which we can use for our house. Let's scale it about that big. And then now what we're gonna do is to go G1. Sorry, GZ1 because we have to go in the Z axis. You see, the origin point moved with the object. We do not want it. We want it to stay at the bottom here. So either you could go Shift S and then go cursor to selection to world origin, or I've got a better option. We could go to tab, move Z1, and then if we go back to object mode, you see it's already there, which is also really cool. Now I'm just going to scale this in the Z axis like that. That also looks really good, like because we need some height to our building. And now if we go inside this, it's completely plain. We don't want a plain object, right? We want something in it, so then we can work. So now this is the time-consuming part. We have to build the walls for a house. So I'm just going to start by adding some mesh, which is a cube again. Now we can see the Y outline of the cube. I'm going to go to transparent, so then we can see inside. It's going to go to Z-axis, tab in, scale on the Z-axis like that. Move it there. Alright, I think that's a bit too thick with the walls, so I'm just going to scale that down. That's a bit too thin. Okay, Shift D, Z-axis, like that. So then we have this walkway corridor thing. And then duplicate, auto rotate 90 degrees, and move here to create like this, some sort of wall. It doesn't have to be perfect because we can refine them later. I'm just going to do that and then rotate like that, so we have a diagonal wall, which is also really cool. L to select, Shift D, 90 degrees. So you get the point. You can make the walls however you want until it's perfectly enclosed. You also don't have to make it enclosed because you can have like a backyard and stuff like that as well. So I'm gonna fast forward now. It's gonna take some time for this project. Okay, 3, 2, 1, fast forward. Okay, so now we are to fast forward. We can see this looks kind of like a guitar. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna shift. Oh wait, yeah. I'm just gonna go A and then move this at the Z-axis. Sorry, technical difficulties earlier. And then I'm just gonna go here on the Z-axis. Turn off Alt Z. Go to the Y mesh mode and then wait, how should we do this? Okay, that's better. So then I can select the top of this. Oh, why is this not working? Select the top. It selects the whole thing because we don't want auto. Okay, so now, okay, that took a lot of technical difficulties, but now I'm just gonna fast forward, select all the edges right here, which is also gonna take some time. So I'm just gonna try to select all of them. Okay, fast forward in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now as you can see, I accidentally did the bottom ones, but it's fine because I can just G to move these down, A to select all, and then move them in the Z-axis upwards and scale them in the Z-axis. Yeah. Guess what? I could have just gone scale Z, but I just didn't bother. Yeah. Okay. So now that we have the inside done, we can go and work on the camera movements because that's what we're waiting for right now. You guys are probably like, where are the camera movements? Okay, we're coming to it. Just give it a moment. Okay, so now that we're in our object, we have to have the camera, right? So we're gonna go Control Alt Numpad 0, and then we've got the camera here, as you remember. Okay, now we can. Where's the focal length? Okay, I'm gonna select the camera. go to here, and then set the focal length to 10. Because 10's the lucky number in my alert. Now we're gonna go shift here. So then now we can move it easily. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick check. I forgot the name of the, key. Okay, 3, 2, 1, I'm out. Okay, so I just figured out the, the key that I was forgetting. It's shift title, the key right under the escape key. So shift title, and then we can move our camera around with our mouse pointer. It looks really cool. And WASD also makes it like really cool as well. We can move around. Cool, huh? Now we can also go V for jumping. Seems like it's not working. Let's try that again. Title, shift, WSAD. That works. V. Oh, that doesn't work because we're not on gravity. Okay, so now we can jump by hitting the V key. So G for gravity. So we have to click that before we do anything. So title, shift, and then quickly hit G, and then do WSD. Then go V for jumping if you want to. So then we can hit W and V. Hit W, wait a second, and hit V. So then we can jump while moving. It's really cool for video games and stuff. Now what we can also do is change the speed. And before we do that, we can do teleportation. Let's say I want to move to here, like where I'm looking at right now, in less than a second. Just look where you want to go, and then hit the spacebar. Woo, yay! That was so cool, and I'm gonna move here now. What just happened? Okay. And then I can just move around. My gosh. Okay, I'm on the outside. Okay, I'm getting carried away right now. And as you can see, I also added some lights with some bloom and an emission shader, you all know. And I also added some colors to the walls. Okay, I think I got a bit too carried away when I was searching for the title key. Okay, but never mind. So now we've got this done. We need some animation, right? Because how should we do that? So here we can hit this button, auto keying. It says automatic keyframe for intersection of objects, bones, and masks. I'm gonna click that, and then voila. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to firstly go to this, and then move this camera around, and now you can see it recorded our thing right there. So that's our animation. Look, that's our animation. That looks really cool, right? Delete everything right there. Go to frame 1, and then quickly, if we go here, you see that gravity is already applied. Wait, is this gravity? You see gravity is not applied right now, because then we can go crazy. G for gravity. Cool. Now I'm just going to set this to 1000. Why did I put it to 735? Okay. Then the moment of truth has come. Play animation. 3, 2, 1. Title. G. Move. Okay. Let's go. What? What's happening? What? Oh my gosh. Okay, the auto keying button has not been clicked. 3, 2, 1, go. Title, move. Then we can move around and it records the stuff. I forgot to hit G, but it's okay now. Increase my speed and decrease it immediately. Cool. I can look around for a bit at the lights, the ceiling, and then I hear a noise. What's that? Okay, we're on frame 545 right now. 600. Okay. We have to quickly end this frame. Okay, now I'm gonna end it like that, and then whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm just gonna stop this. Stop that. Okay, done. Done and dusted. I'm gonna select these. Delete. Edit. Select. Move to here. Go to the very end. End at frame 780. I was right around the 700 mark. Cool. Okay, now that we're done with the animation, I'm just gonna go here as you all know, you know how to do coloring, right, guys? And I just set it to light yellow. Here I set it to another light yellow, and then here I got the emission shader and set the color and the strength 3.9 or something. So then we've got this little bit of light up there, as you can see. And because of the focal length, it helps us see as well. Now, if we're doing, if you're doing, what do you call it, cycles, it's best to go Control Shift B, and then select around the edges like that. So then it reduces render time, stuff like that. But